Hello friends, today I am going to show you conditional formatting. In this video, I'll teach you how to apply conditional formatting on words, particular words. So here I have created a dataset for you. For example purpose, I have taken few countries and their respective average annual temperature. Now based on the temperature value, here I have created a criteria. Like from 0 to 15 degrees centigrade, I will put the countries in under low effectivity zone. From 16 to 30, I'll put the medium effectivity zone, and 31 to 40, I'll put the countries into high zone. So accordingly, I have put the zones here: high, low, medium, and for high zone I have put the color red, for low green, and for medium zone yellow color. Now how I have done this? I haven't put the color each time for every cell. Rather, I have used conditional formatting. How? Let's see. Here I have taken the same data and I have put the temperature as well as the effectivity zones like high, low, medium. Now I will click on the first cell and I will go to conditional formatting. Here I will click on new rule. There are many options, but I will select format only cells that contain this option. It will take me here. There are also various options available, but I will click on specific text because here I have few words like high, low, medium, and for each word I want to put a separate condition. So for the first word is high, I will type high and then I will go to format. Yeah, I'll go to fill, and for the high zone I'll select red color and I will say OK. OK, and see this high word got highlighted in red. Now there are other words also, low, medium. For this I won't go to the next cell and put the formatting. Here only I will select this particular cell and I'll go to conditional formatting, and this time manage rules. I have already set a rule, and right now I will go to manage rules where I will again click on new rule and the same options, that is format only cells that contain. Under this I will select specific text and this time I will put low and format. This time I will select green color for low and OK. OK. Again I will go to new rule because medium option is left. So same option here, specific text. Here I will put medium, format, fill, and I'll put this yellow color. OK, apply, OK. So in the same cell I have applied three conditions. Now based on the word present in each cell, the condition is going to change. So I will copy this formatting with format painter and I will put on rest of the cells like this. So you can see all highs are highlighted with red, lows with green, and medium with yellow. Now suppose for example I change USA temperature to 32 and my 32 is falling under high. So here also I'll write high. So automatically the color got changed to red from green. Now I will undo that thing and keep it the same. Now as in this example you can see, okay, I have also highlighted the lowest and highest temperature. So for that I will select the range and again I'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. This time I will select format only top or bottom ranked values. For the top value, I'll select here 1, format, let's select the color blue, OK. Lowest number is left, so I'll again go to conditional formatting, this time manage rule, new rule, again the same format, and we will select bottom this time and change 10 to 1 and go to format. Let's select pink, dark pink, OK, OK, apply and OK. So automatically the lowest and highest figure got highlighted. So this conditional formatting gives us a visual effect, with the visual colors, different colors, we can easily make out which are the high effectivity zone, which are the low zone, and which are the medium zone, and also we can find out easily the highest and lowest temperature. So that's all, friends. I hope this part of the video is useful to you. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get more new videos in coming days. Thank you.